Hey everyone! You asked me to tell what is happening in the video and explain in more details how tugboat works. Today there was an interesting case when the main engine stalled and the ship due to unmooring. At this moment, when it was necessary to start moving forward, this didn't happen. The pilot warned that the engine was not being used.
Средний с половиной.
Вот спать-то мало, мы ждем машинку. Что-то них не получается.
Сбавил до малой ракеты.
He gave me the command to proceed to the ship in order to direct the bow ship to the exit from the port, and when engine starts, so that the outbound will immediately go and time disappear in maneuvers if the engine suddenly stalls again. While we were waiting for the engine to start, at that moment the stern tugboat pushed the ship into the stern in order to slightly move the ship forward. So the engine has started and I'm instructed to pick up the tug line and going near this ship. After the ship leaves the sea channel, it needs to turn to hard to port to move along another coastal channel. I'm going near to the ship at short distance to quickly approach for the push to port for a quick maneuvering of the ship. But that time, he didn't need my help, and with a peace of mind, I went back to the port.